How to fix iPhone battery draining issue after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is remove the widgets from your home screen and lock screen. For that, you can long press on your home screen. You can remove all the unused widgets by clicking on this icon. Click on remove. Now heading towards next solution, open the settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, open the option general. Head towards the option of background app refresh. At the very top, you'll find the option of background app refresh. Open it, set it to off. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option privacy and safety. Open the option location services. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of location services. Now head back to the main page of settings. Go to the option accessibility. Head towards the option of display and text size. Scroll all the way down. Toggle on for the option of auto brightness. Now head back to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. If there are unused apps in your device, you can uninstall it. Likewise, head back. Scroll down. Open the option display and brightness. Check in for the option of dark. Likewise, use minimum level of brightness for your device. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone battery drain issue after iOS 17 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.